In this video, I'll show you how to disconnect a TikTok pixel from Shopify. This is useful if you want to remove the current pixel, reconnect a different one, or set up a new TikTok pixel from scratch. First, open your Shopify admin. From the left-hand menu, go to Apps or Sales Channels. Now open the TikTok app. Once the TikTok app opens, look for Settings. The layout can change slightly, but you want the area for data sharing, marketing settings, or pixel settings. Open the data sharing or pixel settings section. Now look for the TikTok pixel that is currently connected to your Shopify store. You should see the pixel name or pixel ID connected to the store. Look for an option that says Disconnect. Click Disconnect. Shopify or TikTok may show a warning before removing the connection. Read the warning, then confirm that you want to disconnect the pixel. This should remove the TikTok pixel connection from your Shopify store. If your goal is to add a new pixel, it's better to disconnect the current pixel first instead of just uninstalling the app straight away. After the pixel is disconnected, you can also uninstall the app if you want a cleaner reset. To do that, click the three dots next to the app, then click Uninstall. Confirm that you want to uninstall the app. Once the app has been removed, your Shopify store should no longer be connected to that TikTok app setup. Now, if you want to add a new TikTok pixel, install the TikTok app again from the Shopify app store. Open the TikTok app and go through the setup again. And that's it. You've now disconnected a TikTok pixel from Shopify, uninstalled the TikTok app if needed, and you're ready to connect a new pixel.